Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a set of our new 6th gen Bronco lower control arm skid plates. Now these are made out of 3/16 steel, nice and heavy duty. The main idea is to protect those fragile aluminum lower control arms that Ford put on there, but also give you a nice smooth surface to slide across if you like to rock crawl like I do. Rather than getting a rock hung up in that opening in the control arm. So super simple install. Really only need two tools, ratchet with an 18mm socket and a torque wrench to put it back together. So we've already got the passenger side installed over there. I'll show you how it looks and we'll get started. This will be a real quick video. All right, we got a couple things to show off here. This is the passenger side all installed, covering up the whole bottom of the control arm there, and giving a nice big smooth surface to slide off of. Also, our new tie rod reinforcement sleeves in there. That's actually the very first one. So let's move on and get to the install. So first things first, we've got the Bronco up off the ground. If you're doing this at home, you don't have to remove the wheel. We just did it to make it easier to see everything because we're doing other work. We do have a support under the knuckle here just to make sure that nothing drops out. If you're doing this in your driveway at home, I'd just raise the jack just enough so that tire's coming off the ground. Anything beyond that you don't need. So we're going to be taking off these two nuts here and then installing the skid. All right. Now, bring this guy in here. Of course, I dropped one of the nuts, but that's all right. Slide this up in place. Get the first one started. And I'm just going to buzz these down snug, and then we'll tighten it with the torque wrench. There you go. That's all. Go do the other side, and we are done.